Hello everyone, and then welcome to the channel once again. In this video I'll be talking about the Starlight app. Starlight is currently one of the most popular apps, or one of the most popular online money making apps in Ghana right now. And I can tell you this is a scam platform, because any legitimate platform will always add informations about themselves, not using another company's name as their partners. I'll be breaking that for you in a few minutes, so stay tuned. I know a lot of people will say Starlight have a branch in Ghana, so it is a legitimate platform. You see, that is not enough to tell they are a legitimate platform, because even the people who set up the branch in Ghana don't know the real owners of that platform in the first place, and the real owners are not even in Ghana right now. So after watching video, I know a lot of people will attack me, but what I'm telling you here is just the truth. It's just the truth. So it's up to you to take the next step forward, whether to decide whether to invest in it or not. But I know in the end, a lot of people will end up losing their money. So let's get started. Right now, I'll be taking you to Starlight project description, and then I'll also be taking you to Omnicom's group about page. All these companies is really about. So as you can see from here, okay, start from here. Omnicom is an interconnected global network of leading marketing communications companies. So I won't read all of them because it will waste a lot of time. And then let's come to Starlight too. They have the same thing, and you can see that they've copied everything from the Omnicom's official page till a certain point, somewhere around, I think here, somewhere around here, somewhere around here. Then they stop there, then they add their own description to it to deceive people. So you can see they copied from there and then stop here at the research. Then from there, Starlight app is a comprehensive traffic distribution platform owned by Omnicom Group, with over 100,000 partnered merchants from Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and is now recruiting full members mainly in the global market to help merchants and internet celebrities from social communication platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram to promote and attract more attention and followers to their short videos. You can't see that here on the official app, official website. You can't see that here. So this is where things get a little bit weird. So if Starlight is a legitimate platform, why should they be using another website this thing popularity or legacy as their own? So think about that. If they are real legitimate, then they should use their own profile. They shouldn't use another or already made platform's name to create this thing. That one already is a red flag that this platform is a scam platform. Now I will take you next to this thing, whois.com, to see this website original creation date. They claim to be operating for that is 3 years now, but we will see if that is true right now. So I will taking you to the whois website to check their creation date and then all other information about the site right now. So right now I am on the Wise website to check Starlight creation date. So you can see the website is registered on 20th March 2022 and it's going to expire on 20th March 2023 and it's updated on 20th March 2022. So you can see clearly that this site, they said they have been operating for 3 years now, but their platform is just younger, 2 months young, 2 months old, just 2 months old, sorry. So something that claims to be operating for 3 years, how come their platform is younger? So think about that too, because a lot of people, when you try to inform them about this scam platform, they think because of they were able to withdraw, it means the platform is legit. Proof of withdrawal doesn't mean a platform is legit. These things are just, the withdrawals are just made in the beginning to make people trust them. The first people who join the platform trust them. Then they will bring more people. That is when they will scam them. So you guys beware of these sites. If you want to earn money, you have to work for it. The videos that you are liking, it pains me that these are just free likes you are giving those YouTube account and the TikTok account, because they don't even have any contract with Starlight in the first place. That's something you should be aware of. All the YouTube videos that you see there, they are just random links they've copied to their servers to make you think you are doing something. That way you won't think faster that it is a Ponzi scheme. This is a Ponzi scheme. This is a 100% Ponzi scheme. So beware. There are a lot of them out there. I will go ahead and complete a task here to see how true these things are in terms of the task we completed. So I'll take okay, I'm receiving and then receiving. I'll come to records to complete those tasks. I currently have 30 Ghana cedis on my account, so let me submit one of the screenshots from my phone. Done. Submit. I'll be taking another one, the same one again. Submit. And then submit. So let's wait to see if my balance will be updated, because if this is real video you like, then there should be a real system to detect whether what you posted is the right image. So we shall see very soon. What a wow. So you can see the account balance just updated. So it means you have just been wasting your internet data to be watching those YouTube videos and then TikTok videos and then liking them for free. You see, you are just wasting your data. So beware. These sites are fake sites. Everything you do there is fake. Beware. So some people will say Starlight have a certificate from Facebook, YouTube, and then Instagram, so they are a legitimate platform. I can tell you that all these certificates you see here are just templates from the internet. These big companies can never give this low budget certificate to any legitimate platform. So I'll prove that to you right now by doing a simple Google image search with Google Lens. then you will see similar images like this. So you will know that these are just templates they choose from the internet and they edited them. So look at them here. Look at the similarity of this logo, and then what you are about to see. That is for the Facebook one. So you can see all these images look familiar. Now I'll go to the YouTube one too. Then you will see the similarities between them two. So you know that this thing is just something they took from the internet and then edit. So if people see it, they will think this is something legitimate. See, look at them. Look at this one here and then this one here. Look at it. Can you tell me the difference? Rather than all these Starlight and the YouTube logo they manually added to it. So this one clearly shows this is what they took and then re-edited it as their logo from, or as their certificate from YouTube. So you can see it clearly over here. So, and then I'll go to the Instagram one too, and then we search image search with this thing with Google Lens. So you can see the similarities here too. You can see it clearly. So these things, they are scam platforms. Beware. Proof of withdrawals doesn't mean these platforms are legitimate. Nah. So to conclude with this video, what I would like to tell you guys is when you see any online platform and even one single false information about them is enough to tell you this is not a legit platform, they are scammers, because there's no way a legit platform will be using other companies' name to fool people that they are their partners. The moment you see even a single one, just single information about that platform that is not related to them, but they claim it is related to them, then know that the website is being run by scammers, and it's just a matter of time when they see a lot of people investing. That's when they will shut down their servers. Then people will lose their money. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to share and subscribe to the channel and save others from losing their monies to these internet scammers.